Now that you've got it, what else can you do with it? Yes, honey, lemon, onion, cough syrup is excellent for cold and flu season. But I'm going to share with you 3 different ways you can enjoy this in your everyday life and make it a part of your cooking routine. So in our last video, we made a honey, lemon, onion cough syrup for cold and flu season. And over in Patreon, we have the whole recipe and the medicinal benefits for all of the ingredients. But as promised, I was going to show you how I use it in everyday life as well, because the goal here is to make this easily accessible and not feel so separated. Kitchen herbalism is a valuable part of our everyday life. This is some honey lemon syrup that I have had in the refrigerator for many, many months because it doesn't go bad. So we're going to make it into a sauce. What I'm doing first is I just have some plain tofu here, and I'm going to wrap it with some seaweed for visual appeal. I learned this from a Instagrammer named the Korean Vegan. Once I have these all nicely wrapped, I'm just taking some cornstarch and seasoning it a little bit with some salt and pepper just to give it a little bit more flavor. And then I am lightly coating each piece of firm tofu with the cornstarch mixture. Once I have them all dusted with cornstarch, I have brought my oil up to a high heat for crispy frying real quick. We're going to just give those time to get golden brown. And this is going to be one of the elements of our meal. You could use a variety of proteins or whatever you want to use this sauce on. It could be just a stir fry. It could probably be turned into a salad dressing as well. Get creative. That's the whole purpose of really wielding the magical tools of kitchen herbalism. It lends itself well to your personal artistry. So what I'm doing with my small amount of lemon, honey, ginger, garlic, cough and cold medicine, I'm putting it in the blender, and we're going to whirl that around until it becomes nice and smooth. And that's the beginning step for our sauce. So now what I have are some salmon fillets here, and this is kind of getting into a little meal prep because we're going to do this for more than one meal. And I'm just going to do the same. I seasoned them with some salt and pepper, and we're just going to get them nice and golden by pan frying our fillets. Again, you could use a variety of proteins if you eat chicken. You could even try it on beef. I mean, I love salmon. It's so quick and easy. After a quick rinse, pat it dry, season it up, and it's just literally ready in minutes. Then what I decided to do was we're going to just broil some asparagus under the broiler. Another quick, easy fix that really looks elegant alongside whatever you're making for dinner. I particularly love asparagus, so I throw these under the broiler. You got to keep an eye on them because they will burn. So back to our sauce. I am adding a nice amount of soy sauce. Now, this is not a precise recipe. I'm working to make it precise, but we're trying out soy sauce and sesame oil and a dash of salt to bring it together. You could even add a little bit of an acid, I think would be good, like some fire cider or a dash of rice vinegar. And I'm just going to heat that over the stove and make it into our sauce. So here we have our finished plate. Everything is looking delicious. And we're going to try some of our, what I'm calling sticky lemon ginger sauce now. And I just poured a little bit over the top. And it really was delicious. It kind of gave me the reminder of gravy, but it just had like a tart, sweet, gingery. It's not overpoweringly sweet at all. You might think it would be because it's honey based, but it really did not become overly sweet. So here I'm having a nice little lunch with my asparagus, salmon, my fried tofu. I have some kombucha in my glass while I'm doing a little work. Now I'm going to show you how I fixed it up another way. So what I decided to do with my salmon this time, this is the second time around, and I'm going to bake my fish so that, you know, it is more like a glaze, I think. We'll see how that turns out. So I'll keep you posted. So I decided to keep it simple with just some garlic parm asparagus. They had olive oil, garlic, and grated Parmesan cheese under the broiler. I ended up taking the foil off the fish and letting it go under the broiler for a little while. And I feel like the broiler helped enhance the flavors of the sauce a bit better. So that turned out really easy, quick, and delicious. And now we're going to go to day 3 and a delicious way to use leftovers. Shoot, my leftovers be happy to be leftovers. I don't like the meal prep where you're eating the same thing every day for 10 days and calling it meal prep. I don't like that. It doesn't suit me. But this, we got our lemon basil pasta salad. This time we're going to do it with the leftover salmon. We have some of our mixed greens topped with organic arugula. I swear, I cannot wait until I'm not buying these bags of salad, but at least I eat them. They do not go bad in the fridge because the girl eats her salad. All right, so we're gonna just add some, I have some red onion and some cucumber. Oh, I have some cilantro. So we just simply dressed our salad with some olive oil, lemon juice, and sea salt. And I got some red onion and some cucumber. I have my cilantro. Look at how beautiful it is. Just keeping it in a jar of water. I'm going to add some of that and about a third of this pasta and basil salad too. Oh, and we have a hard-boiled egg. And there we go. That came together like in minutes. And it's a little more exciting than exactly the same thing, even though it was delicious last night. So we topped our chilled salmon with a little deviled egg. I mean, not deviled egg, regular egg dinner. Okay, so there you go. I hope this was inspiring and that you will get creative in your kitchen with herbalism. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.